how much sleep is too much sleep.
I'm not picking sides. I got money, money, money on my mind. I'm not gonna sit here waste your time.
Sleep is one of the most important component in our life. If you just miss 2 hours of sleep can reduce focus by 30%. No matter how much sleep you get, do you wake up feeling tired? It's not just you. Millions of people feel this way. And there is a surprising reason why. Just put your headphones on. Let's play some music.
It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the God.
Most of us think sleep is simple. Get 8 hours and you are good. But the truth is, it's not just about hours. It's about how you sleep. Your sleep might be getting affected by disrupted sleep cycles, stress, or even habits you follow before bed, leaving you feeling drained and exhausted. And the scary part, poor sleep affects everything from your energy and your mood and even your long-term health. Let's talk about science behind sleep. Sleep cycle is basically the repeating pattern of your sleep stages we go through during the night. Each cycle takes about 90 minutes and including 3 different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. We can also call it as rapid eye movement stage. In light sleep stage, where your muscles can relax and your body temperature drops and eye movements can slow down. Deep sleep. This stage is crucial for muscle recovery. It improves immune function and memory consolidation. In this stage, it is difficult to wake someone in this stage. Rapid eye movement stage. In this stage, dreams can occur due to high brain activity, and your eyes move rapidly under the eyelids. Your body remains mostly paralyzed to prevent acting out dreams. It supports cognitive function like learning, memory, and emotional processing. These are the sleep cycles, right? Now I can tell you one thing. If you're doing any physical activity, you must need a good enough deep sleep where your muscles can relax and repair. Students or professionals or even people in creative field must need REM. You know the reason, right? I will tell you how you can improve your sleep. I don't want to tell you the supplements and all. It's simple. Sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. See, why this is important, you need to train your body clock. It's a circadian rhythm. I don't want to go deeper in this concept, but if you want to know about it, just comment down below. I will try to make a video on it. Sleep environment. Keep your room dark and set your room temperature to 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Blue light exposure. Don't use mobile phone before 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. You know, if you use your phone or exposed to blue light before bed, your body will stop producing melatonin hormone because it helps control your body's circadian rhythm. This can signaling when it's time to sleep and wake up. Avoid heavy meals before bed. Having a heavy meal right before bed can disturb sleep quality because the digestive system remains active, making it harder to enter deep sleep. It's generally a good idea to allow at least 2 to 3 hours after having a large meal before going to bed. Poor sleep quality can indeed interfere with muscle recovery and growth because deep sleep stages are crucial for releasing growth hormone, which aids in muscle repair and development. And the next one is track your sleep. If you can afford, use any sleep tracking devices. I'm using this Whoop band to track my sleep, recovery, and strain levels. This band is a bit expensive, but you can definitely consider Fitbit. You can track your sleep stages. How many hours of sleep per day? I don't want to give the exact number that how much sleep you need per day because it's completely different from one person to another person. Let me give you an example. If a normal person doing 9 to 5 professional job and not doing any physical exercise, he may need 6 to 7 hours sleep. But if you're an athlete or doing any high intense workout, you need 9 to 10 hours of sleep. However, if the same athlete is not performed any physical activity in a day, he may need less sleep compared to previous workout day. It completely depends on person to person. I suggest you to experiment with the hours and choose how many hours best for you. This is my personal advice. If you can't sleep, there are 2 main reasons: stress and anxiety and relationships. I will tell you my personal experience. There was a stage of my life where I used to think too much on things where I can't control. We have a one life, right? We can't do it everything on ourselves. If you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or even a student, you feel stress on exams. Oh, what will happen if I fail this exam? Or just you have finished your graduation or looking for a job but you couldn't find a job. Don't feel stressed. Note down all the things in a paper and figure out how you can improve or change things in your life to fix the thing. which makes you happy and stress free. If you want to improve your sleep, you need a peaceful mind. Make surrounding with good people and great relation with your partner or parents. Because one girl can ruin your entire life and the one girl can understand and help you achieve more in your life. So choose careful. I don't want to go deeper in these love relationships because I just saved.